Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Today's exciting day, we are going to make bath truffles. Okay, well, before we get any further, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. And welcome everyone to Vlogmas Day 9. Let's get into this video. Okay, so let's talk about our featured soap today. The featured soap of the day is Embed. It's called Embeds. So that means inside the soap, which I have one that's open, there's soap within a soap. You see that? That's what you call an embed. Remember we made some? Well, this is another one that's in this soap. It looks like a flower, right? So you're getting double soaps. It's called Embeds. Let's read about it. It says Embeds, organic coconut milk and organic soap embeds, and it's unscented artisan soap bar, 5 ounces. So it's nice size bar. Okay, organic coconut milk with organic soap embeds inside of it. Okay, let's read the ingredients in the back. It says organic coconut oil, distilled water, olive oil, organic coconut milk, sunflower oil, castor oil, organic shea butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, rose Carlton clay, no essential oils, unscented, glycerin, and vitamin E. Embeds. That's the soap of today. It feels so nice, guys, if you can feel that. So nice. And there's the top. All right, so to a loyal customer on Etsy, she loves them. She buys them all the time, especially for the holiday. Playing outside. Go look at her reviews on my bath truffles. At Etsy, Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off of hands. Okay? So, here we go. We have our baking soda Epsom salt that we put together yesterday, right? Nope. Baking soda citric acid. There you go. We have our shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter. All right. We have our lemongrass essential oil. And we also have our molds that we prepared. Look at that. Ready to go. And in this, we have Epsom salt colored with mica, green mica and yellow mica. That's all that is Epsom salt. All right. So before we do anything, we are going to color our batch yellow because we're making lemon to my lime bath truffles. You know I have my trusty popsicle stick. I just go in. There's no measuring. I want you to get the benefits. Yeah, I know white sometimes is boring and you want something else. So you might not see it, and we're gonna add a little bit more. You might not see it because there's no liquid to it. But it's there, don't you worry about it. It's there. We're gonna add just a little more. I don't want much. Just a tinge of yellow. Very simple recipe. It's not gonna take us long. Let's get the quote of today in. The quote of today is, it's not what's under the Christmas tree that matters. It's who is around the Christmas tree. So let's say that again. It's not what's under the Christmas tree that matters. It's who's around it. Okay? That's food for thought. That's your quote of today. All right, so let's add in our essential oil. Yup, I see the colors coming in. Can you see that? Let me get that closer so y'all can see. Move everything out the way. I'm gonna bring it up so you can see. It's very light, but the color is, yellow is coming in. I don't know if you're able to see. Heavenly lavender. We have our butters. What are they again? Shea butter. Cocoa butter and mango butter. And remember what I said, this will make your tub very slippery, so you have to be careful going in and out of your tub when using bath truffles. Because why? They are packed with butters. Very light. Do we want it to get it a little more darker? We can use just a little slight. Just to make it a little darker, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm not adding much because like I said, I'm not all about all that color. There you go. See that? It is yellow. Take my word for it, it's yellow. It's a nice little light yellow. Remember what I also said too, they're excellent for pedicures. Take them to the shop to you, or you do your own pedis. Put one in. Enjoy it that way. I think they're nice for pedicures. They don't always have to be for your tub. All right. Add in the rest of the butters. And then we're about to pour this in. I just wanted to make sure that, there you go. Now I'm happy with that yellow. Make sure it's all incorporated throughout. Okay? That it's all incorporated throughout. We're gonna get our hands in here soon anyway. Get it dirty. All right. There we go. I don't want to see any baking soda. Okay, let's add the rest of the butter. Bring it down more so y'all can see. There you go. There you go. Try not to shake you. Okay. I added the rest of the butters. It looked like I might need a little bit more butter. And you're gonna have to get this in while it's still warm. So let's bring our trays over now. There we go. Good, see that? I'm gonna add a little bit more butter, guys. Just a little. It's not gonna hurt anybody. It won't hurt anyone. Okay, now what we need to do, you take a spoon and you're gonna get all of this goodness inside of your molds, okay? Y'all can see that? Good. We need to get all of that out. All of that. All of that is goodness that we need. So what I'm gonna do is take some of our truffle mix and swish it around in this cup here. There we go. We need all that. All right. Nice yellow color. Isn't that nice? I like it. All right, let's get them in. So what we're gonna do is just fill them up. Fill up all of your little mini brownie. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're doing fine. You know, I hope the holidays not getting you down or you're not depressed. If so, come on over here, watch some of my videos. Have you subscribed to my channel? You know, I'm waiting to get to 100 subscribers, so I have a nice giveaway. Come on, help me get to 100 subscribers so we can meet my 1,000 goal for 1,000 subscribers. You know, we're still working towards that. So let's get to 100 so I can do a giveaway, okay? That's the first one. After we get to 100 subscribers, then we'll go to the 1,000. I have giveaways. I'm so excited. And we're waiting for 1,000 watch time hours too. So I'll give something away for that. So don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video, which is Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But since this is Vlogmas, you know I'm doing a video every day up till Christmas, okay? For Vlogmas. Get it in. Don't be shy. Get it in there. And just pack it down. Just pack it all down. Don't be afraid. Get it in there. Beautiful yellow color. And you want to make sure you pack them down because remember, we have that Epsom salt down at the bottom here that we need them to adhere to, right? So they're going to come out nice. We're going to let them sit for 24 hours so they can get hard. And then we'll unmold them and label them and package them, all the good stuff, okay? Come on. Let's get all of this goodness in here. I'll bring you right back, okay? I'll bring you right back. Let me finish this up. So you see what I'm doing? You're just firmly packing it down in there. I'm making sure that I have all of my ingredients. Waste not, want not. You don't want to waste any of this good stuff. Okay, bath truffles are excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And it makes your skin feel so good. Go over into Etsy and look at some of my reviews. You don't have to take my word for it. Go read them. Especially playing outside. Go read them. So you pack, see how I'm pressing down firmly on them? To make sure that we get that shape and that it picks up all that Epsom salt down in the bottom of them, okay? Let them sit for 24 hours by themselves. You can place them in the refrigerator so they can get nice, rock hard, or just set them out. It doesn't matter. Okay, so the essential oil that we used for this was lemongrass. So we're making lemon to my lime bath truffles, okay? The soap of today was Embeds, right? It's an unscented soap called Embeds. Our quote of today was, it's not what's under the Christmas tree that matters, it's who's around it. That means family, friends, people that you care about. Who's there at the holidays? Who's supporting you? Who's got your back? That's what's important. It's not what's under that tree that's important, okay? There we go. Let me hold it up so you can see that. Absolutely beautiful. And they smell so good. I wish you can smell them. Let me bring you up. Take my glasses off so the ring light is not in your eye. Hi guys. Let me just say, absolutely gorgeous. We made our first batch of bath truffles, okay? First batch of bath truffles. If you can only smell them, you can. They'll be on the Etsy shop within 2 days. Listen, have a great day. Mwah. Love you from Glennceria Loving Hands. And I see you in the next video where we are going to make heavenly lavender bath truffles, okay? Go over and read some of the reviews on my Etsy shop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.